This method can help answer key questions of the behavioral genetics field about the individual differences in longitudinal relations of different variables across multiple time points. This technique allows investigators to estimate individual differences that arise at specific time points, as well as those that carry over from one time point to another.
The implications of this technique extend to the sciences of psychology and education more broadly. As such, this technique can answer research questions in the science of reading.
Begin by opening the Statistical Modeling program. Locate the relevant data file to be read in the Statistical Modeling program. Then, click on the Run icon to obtain estimates for genetic, shared environmental, and non-shared environmental influences from the multivariate Cholesky decomposition method. After the program generates estimates for genetic, shared environmental, and non-shared environmental influences, locate the estimates in the output file. Next, open the word processor and copy the generated estimates into a table. Then, open the software with a GUI. Enter the estimates from the created table into cells F3 through F16, G4 through G16, H5 through H16, and I6 through I16. Calculate the variance of genetic, shared environmental, and non-shared environmental influences by squaring the estimates.